sing that shit.
Hey guys, this is a review for the TUSHY Bidet. This bidet is great because it's inexpensive and it's pretty unobtrusive and sleek looking on a toilet. This is in our primary bathroom, so we don't have guests using this toilet, but we love it so far. It fits most standard toilets. It's very easy to install. They send instructions with about a 10-minute install to hook it up. So what you do is you just take your toilet seat off and you hook this piece onto it. And then you can see down here, they send you an extra water line. So you essentially just hook it up to your existing water line. You do not need any electrical to install this. It just hooks up to the water. This is the control panel here. You can see there's a pressure control knob and an angle adjuster for the nozzle. The knob comes in different color options. We chose the white base with a platinum knob. I probably would have picked something different if I could go back and do it again, just because this is like a real shiny chrome and it just doesn't look as nice as some of the other options like the bamboo one. That might be the one I choose next time. But anyways, one thing I'm also really disappointed in is you can see here that the print where the labels are has worn off over time. I clean this typically once a week with a disinfecting wipe, and this started happening about 8 to 9 months in. So that's been kind of frustrating that the quality hasn't held up there. But other than that, everything else still functions fine. So the knob rotates between nozzle wash on this side and bum wash on this side, and the further you turn it that direction, the more pressure you're going to have. So first, let me show you the nozzle wash. Here's the nozzle here. It kind of sticks down in the back. And when you turn it on, you can see it starts with lower pressure. As you turn it up, the pressure increases. And then the other thing is that this is the angle adjuster here, and that adjusts the angle of the nozzle wash, of the nozzle, and it goes from front to back, so you can adjust it accordingly. The purpose of the nozzle wash is just to self-clean the nozzle. The other side, when you push it, turn it this direction to bum wash, it's going to spray the water up and towards your bum. So I'm gonna just do a low setting so you can see what that looks like. As you increase the pressure, it starts to spray out. So that's what it looks like. It functions great. It's been a really great tool to have in our house, and highly recommend this product if you haven't tried it before. It's just a nice, sleek design and a really nice addition to have, and we really like it.